never thought would happen. Paper chasing, we don't stop until we overlap it. This is life, I'm living right, I'm sipping strong. I said I'm back like prior, I must've did it wrong. We in charge, I make demands, I'm making plans. If it ain't money, no back and forth, no shaking hands. Pull up shooting and shake it off like what a dance. I don't do the dirt, but don't knock a nigga with dirty hands. Who that nigga? I been that nigga since dirty diapers. I'ma give her straight back shots, I'm a dirty sniper, yeah. Nigga, I been on mine, Rollie don't tick nor talk, it's been a long time, yeah. This that shit they never thought would happen. Skip the trapping, went straight to rapping and movie casting. Skip the sadness, went straight to laughter. To tell her laugh until she checked the check-ins. My savings done got her flabbergasted, yeah. Glory, hallelujah. Lord save me from sin, I keep falling into it. The kid been true and I'm back and better the way I'm doing. It's that shit that got him convinced that I'm off the floors. I'm sober ready, I'm more than ready, my bitch will kill. Put a bomb in your pillow, she'll blow your mind for real. Bitch, I'm tweaking, I got my reasons, I got it all. I give my life to the public just to watch it evolve, nigga. Watch it, yeah. This that shit they never thought would happen. Players play, I'm bending rules, I get the coach to practice. We talking rappers, we talking local, I know a fraction. They all know they role, let them play it well with that Twitter action. Moving forward, but she throw it backwards. She TBT the boy, I might just post it after. I'm smoking bass, she like to sniff the stratus. She don't skip a line before that dick, she might just skip her classes. This that shit they never thought could happen. Water bottles full of liquor, gotta keep a balance. They sippin' jealousy and spite, I hear it's by the gallon. They can't bear to see it, they can't bear to compete with a challenge, right? Gave her a key to where the room is. Fell asleep in love, then woke up in my confusion. Yeah, we made the pick but skipped the choosing. Got the fucking Mr. Movie, she call me crazy, I call her Uber, I got her. Hey, I got her, yeah. I got her. Bars. Due time. And it's due time.